That is so I'm Christina. And this is John. Believe it or not, we've been traveling together since we were teenagers. When we're not working as a TV journalist and pilot, we're exploring the globe. Subscribe and let's get lost.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Today we're getting out of Bali and we're heading here to Nusa Penida. So we just landed into Bali last night. We decided to stay in Sanur because it's really close to Nusa Penida where we're going to today. But first we have to find where the boat departs. You see those two orange pillars going the right way? Come down to the very end and then this building on the left is where you can get the public boat. It was 200 rupiah each way. That's around 20 Aussie dollars for the 30-minute ride.
All right, here we go. The moment of truth. Looks like there's a bit of a dilemma here. Oh, bloody close call. It's not what you want to see just before you're about to go on the boat, that's for sure.
But paradise awaits.
What did you say? A floating coffin. Thank you.
We got comfortable in our cozy coffin. The worst part?
People vomiting.
But we made it.
Just arrived.
After hiring a bike for around $7, it was time to check in. Oh, this is our little place. It's so nice. All my stuff got wet on that boat.
We are just going to check out some of the cliffs.
Wow, it's so pretty. Our first stop was Diamond Beach. Located on the eastern tip of the island, the cliffs are phenomenal. The beach is somewhat untouched. It has white sand and crystal clear blue water.
So our ticket was 10,000.
That's just $1.
It's pretty awesome, hey? John's worried I'm gonna fall over and kill myself.
No, don't go that way.
The lookout is pretty spectacular, but it gets even better when you venture down to the beach.
Explain how you're feeling right now.
Pretty good, just don't want to die. Give it a go. Oh yeah, you on the rope? Yeah, just don't fall there. Might be too tight.
It's heavy.
Just get going, you'll be alright.
Just like don't think about it. Oh my god, are you going on the swing by the way?
Yeah.
Are you gonna go on it?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Are you?
Alright, I buckled under the pressure. Paid 100 rupiah. Are you scared?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Alright. Oh my gosh. Hang on. Oh right, okay. Double check that.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh my gosh. Wow. My heart is racing. This is the most incredible view. That was worth every cent. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Heading back up isn't easy.
Oh my god. That is so it really is. I think the key is not to look down. You just like go on all fours. don't look down. Oh my god, like look how narrow the thing is.
Going up is the hardest part, yeah?
Going up and down. Good luck.
We're here in June. Supposedly it's the worst time to travel here.
It's blowing a gale. Like a tornado up here.
But the southeast trade winds didn't really impact our experience. But what did were
These gravelly roads. Bumpy. Oh, how narrow the roads are.
We'll tell you more about the roads in our next episode, but for now we've worked up a bit of an appetite and it's dinner time and we're going a little crazy.
John just did a bit of a Google search and found these markets and we're about to have some satay.
We ended up eating here twice at a range of stalls and we never got sick.
Oh gosh. Is it good?
Amazing.
Next on Global Travel Guides, we explored T-Rex Bay, natural pools and Tembeling Beach and Forest, Broken Beach
We're just 30 minutes away from Bali.
and Angels Billabong.
Make sure if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to continue watching our adventure over to Nusa Lembongan, make sure you click on the next link. Oh my gosh, that is incredible.